Right, let's do this thing. Spar. It's a wholesaler supplying a chain of franchise-owned stores. Everybody knows that. But many of the Spar stores, in fact, have these associated Build It division or store at the back. And that's for DIY, bucky builder types as well. Market cap there, 19.8 billion rand. That's of the overall Spar group. Price to earnings ratio of 18.9, dividend yield of 3.2. Ian, I mean, again, part of the story only, yes. But because of the location of the Spar stores, including many of which are in secondary towns, because that's where the entrepreneurs and the franchisees wanted to go, they've actually got quite a nice business going with this Build It, and I think it's been one of the fastest growing contributors to Spar's growth in recent years.
Together with the Tops.
The booze, exactly. Also does well in the rural areas.
That's right. But there's just one thing, the split. I'm not sure of the split between the urban and rural areas, but in the urban areas, I haven't seen any impact there at all. The reason being that people like Builders Warehouse and others have really got ahead of them. So that may be a bit of a disadvantage. And if one looks at local Spar stores in areas where one may travel about, I don't see that.
You don't see the Build It portion of that? Okay, that would make sense though.
It must be in the urban areas. And so I've got a question mark about
I saw a big Build It in the Spar in Carolina in Mpumalanga. Okay. That sounds to me like the sort of place that they would be pushing those.
Yes.
Because of course that's where a lot of the rural household formation is happening. Yes. And that appeared in that particular context, they were competing directly with an Asian supplier or a bunch of businesses belonging to Asian South Africans who had traditionally been in that space. Right. So it's a bit like the corporate versus the entrepreneur.
And they should have product delivery advantages in that case.
Okay, but as far as Spar is concerned, it has come off a little bit. I think it's trading at around 114 Rand, had traded above 120. So it suffered from a little bit of the same 2013 problems as all the others. I don't know, does Build It alone give you enough attraction to buy Spar, even though it has this slightly different business model?
I like the Spar's business model, but I don't think Build It is enough to make it attractive as a purchase right now.
Okay, so for you, not hot?
No.
I'm going to go with not hot as well.